Alright, so now let's make it so that when you press the button, then it'll say what color you changed it to, just for some more learning. So let's just start off by, actually let's change this text. Let's rename it choose, just so we know which text is what, because now we are going to add a new text. Let's just chose blue. Now we can make another one. Let's just call this chose red. Except we need to resize these and position these and everything. So let's just make it say you chose blue. Let's just make this 65, or actually let's make it like 50. Just put that right there. And then let's also make this one you chose red. And let's also put this into the middle and also make this 50. That's what I did, right? Let's go to this one. Oh wait, no, I put it wrong text. I actually did it in reverse. Okay, so now the red one says you chose red, and the blue one says you chose blue. Okay. Let's also just put these on top of each other for oh, that'll make sense in a sec. Okay. So now let's just go back to this same script, I guess. Okay. Actually, let's add using Unity Engine .ui. This actually, I'll just show you what it does right now. So if you go over to like here, and I wanted to make a text variable, it doesn't show up. There is no text. I have an error. Type or namespace text could not be found. So if you add this using Unity Engine.ui, because text is a part of, that's a UI. So now, if you do public text, now it shows up. So let's just call this chose blue. Let's make another one, and this one will say chose red. Alright, so now if you press blue, it'll change the color of the cube to blue. Let's also make it so that chose blue dot enabled is equal to true. And then for this one, chose red dot enabled equal to true. So now if we do this, it doesn't work. We have an error. That is because we need to go to the script where, since we made these public variables in here, it's going to make these boxes because it doesn't know what we're talking about. So we need to take these are the two texts, so we need to chose red and chose blue into the right things. So now, if we come in here, you chose blue. Except now they overlap. So what we also need to do is when we press these, we need to make the other one disabled. Not enabled is equal to false. So now, if we press play, chose red. Now they don't overlap because we're disabling the other one when we press it. So there, working good. By the way, just comment what you want me to do next and I'll make a video on it. See ya.